Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for hopping back into another video. Today we're going to check out the Theta Network token. We're going to look at some news, a little bit about their roadmap, and also do a quick update on the recent video. A little follow-up just to look at some of those resistance levels that we did get bumped at that we thought was probably quite likely to happen. First things first, do also make sure you smash that subscribe button. I know a lot of you are joining and watching over and over again, but you're not subscribing. You may as well just click or smash that subscribe button, because it's just extra value added to your life at the cost of nothing really. And also make sure you join the Discord down below. We're 75 members strong, so join that Discord, guys. Really do that to make some juicy gains, and also it would be nice to see you there as well, because I won't keep it public forever, so make sure you do that too. So the Theta token, this is the beautiful Theta project roadmap, and we can see 2022 Q1 is basically where we are now. So they've got the teardrop token release, decentralized governance launch, cross-chain bridge to ETH for decentralized exchange, NFT and dApps, beta decentralized storage on our edge nodes for NFTs. So they're doing a lot with NFTs for this next upcoming quarter. Still following the trends, still making updates, still developing, still going strong. So it's nice to see this roadmap. For Q2 2022, we've got the edge node integrated caching, streaming, compute and storage, all that technical stuff that I don't understand. We've got the beta NFT based video platform with P2P, is that pay to play video delivery, beta live experience, video streaming media platform, edge streaming, caching, storage and compute new use cases. So there's a lot of interesting things going on. Maybe some of you tech heads will know exactly what all of that means, but this is a really strong, transparent project, as we all know, with many big partners. And it's just a beautiful website, a beautiful design, a beautiful project that's globally recognized now. And yeah, it just keeps me bullish. We also have some awesome news here. UK group Bullish announces rollout of products on Theta Network. Bullish Technology, a British-based mobile phone and consumer electrics business, has announced the rollout of its products on the Theta Network. Theta has been at the forefront of a new wave blockchains and is the ideal partner for us, and we gradually move from a decentralized system into a decentralized one. So a business is actually going from being centralized into a decentralized system. That's really cool. That is like the sort of whole follow in my footsteps, leader copies leader, business copies business imprinting thing. And this is the sort of adoption we're looking for, these businesses that actually move into the crypto technology, into the blockchain technology, so they can operate and scale and just function much more efficiently. And it's very good to see this takeover. So we're going to hop into Theta Network. It's ranked 46 today, $3.37, with a market cap of 3.362 billion. And you can see the circulating supply is actually fully diluted. Is that fully diluted? Yeah, it is. So that's fantastic to see as well. We have had a little drop on the daily. We can see we're down 3.7%, but that does not mean anything when we're already up 14.1% on that 7-day and 29% on that 2-week time frame. So looking extremely bullish. One thing I've noticed, straight off the bat, not getting much volume, and we still haven't put through that high yet. I mean, really, what we want to happen is to put through a high around $4.70, this key resistance mark. We want to make that high before I start feeling super bullish, because right now it still just looks like we're getting those lower highs. Do you see? We're just following this trajectory, so it makes you think what would possibly happen if the market does capitulate once again. Is that we're just going to keep doing this? I don't think that's likely, but it is a scenario I am wary of. So make sure you're also wary of that one, because we have got a big fat red candle today on that daily time frame. We've lost the support at the 329 momentarily. It's still holding as a nice support level at 329, but we did, we're skating on ice basically. 329 support right there. So be wary of that. We can see on the RSI we're not overheated. We're only at 48, losing a bit of volume, which is obviously something to look out for. On that 4-hour time frame, we were pretty overheated, to be honest. So I'm not surprised that we did fall back down. If you look at my other video, I did say that this key $3.71 area was a massive bit of resistance, where we did see a bit of selling pressure, and we fell all the way back down into this support region, and we roll over, and yeah, here we are, guys. So we're still holding out this particular level. It's not the end of the world. Maybe we're going to sort of trade in this ascending triangle now, because we've got this support. If we can trade in this particular ascending triangle for the next week or so, we may see a breakout to the upside. And what I'm really, really looking for is that $4.63. When we get to this $4.63, and if we push through and break to the upside, we're going to create a higher high. And that's when things start getting bullish. That's when we start putting through those higher lows, those higher highs, beginning of a new uptrend. But we don't know if it's going to happen quickly yet. We don't know when it's going to happen. It's very, very hard to predict these sort of movements. So that's what we can see. A big red candle on the 1 hour time frame. We're pretty much oversold on the RSI. On the 30-minute time frame, also pretty much oversold on the RSI. And looking back, every time we're oversold on the RSI, we usually get a nice rally following. Over here, a bit of a rally following. Also here, big rally following. Over here, right here, rally following. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 points of key data that illustrate and reflect that every time on the 30-minute time frame, when we're sub 30 relative strength index, we usually see a little pump to the upside. It doesn't mean it's a sustained pump, it means that within the next 24 to 48 hours we get that impulse, and then usually take that sort of corrective phase back down on the retracement side of things. So it does look pretty good. If we also take out a Fibonacci retracement and just measure this, we've come down to our 0.382. So this is also a key support level. Take note of that. If we do fall back down, we come back down to 3.195, then back down to 3.1 on that particular Fibonacci. So I think we really need to hold this position, try and break that 3.71, and then try and bust through the 4.631 level, because that's when we start really making progress again. Otherwise, you know, look out for that $3.29 support level. If we break it, we come back down to those lower levels, which we just discussed right here. So keep an eye on those particular levels. That's what I'm doing. We don't really want to see Theta fall down to these levels, but it's very likely that it can. So there's a bit of a short-term price analysis, as well as what I think needs to happen in the sort of next few weeks. Making that higher high is very important. And also holding this 329 support level is quite important too. If you did like the video, please smash that subscribe button, because it, you know, I'm making as many videos as I can within a day, within the free time that I've got. Make sure you do hop into the Discord channel. It's 75 strong right now. Love to get 80 people by the end of the week. And if you want to become a patron, that would also be amazing. Thank you to Mud, Pete, Alp, Kara, and also Jordan. So, you know, if you want to become a patron, you get premium Discord access, exclusive one-on-one messaging. You'll also, I mean, it's the price of a coffee, and you'll also receive an ebook here, right here, which will evolve your cryptocurrency journey. And if you don't like the book, I'll even refund your money. That's how confident I am. So thanks so much, guys. It really means a lot that you're watching my videos. Subscribe. Take care. See you in the next one.